Alright, let's be real. Saving money can feel impossible. One minute you're being responsible, and the next, boom, your bank account looks like it's lost a fight to Amazon Prime. But what if I told you that saving $10,000 in just 1 year is totally doable without living off instant noodles or selling a kidney? Yeah. Stick around because I'm about to break down a real, no BS plan that anyone can follow no matter your income. Now, why is savings important? Well, life loves surprises. Car repairs, medical bills, or your best friend's wedding abroad. You never know when you need the money. Having $10,000 in savings gives you financial security, peace of mind, and a head start towards big goals. Whether it's a dream vacation, emergency fund, or even just investing for the future. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, breaking it down into daily, weekly, and monthly savings goals, cutting unnecessary expenses, and finding creative ways to earn more. So grab a coffee, but maybe skip that $7 latte today, and let's get started. The math. So, how much do you actually need to save? Alright, let's break this down because $10,000 sounds like a huge number, but when you split it up, it's actually way more manageable. Okay, so let's do a breakdown. So $10,000 equals $833 per month. $833 per month is equal to $192 per week. And $192 per week is just $27 per day. That's like skipping one Uber Eats order or saying, nah, I'll make some coffee at home today. Now, let's put this into perspective. So if you save $27 per day, you'll hit $10,000 in a year. Or if you cut $14 per day and earn $14 per day in extra income, you'll still hit $10,000 in a year. See, you don't need to win the lottery or live in a cave. You just need a good plan. And here's the fun part. Once you start seeing your savings grow, it becomes addictive. You'll find yourself looking for more ways to save and earn, and suddenly that $10,000 goal feels totally within reach. Stick with me, because up next we are tackling where to find that extra money, starting with easy ways to cut expenses without feeling like you're suffering. Okay, so let's start with creating a savings plan. Alright, now that we know the numbers, let's talk about how to actually make this happen. Because let's be honest, just wanting to save money won't magically make your bank account grow. If that worked, we'd all be millionaires by now. Step 1. Open a dedicated savings account, ideally a high yield savings account so your money earns some extra interest while it sits there. More interest is equal to free money, and we love free money. Step 2. Automate your savings. Set up a direct transfer so that every time you get paid, a chunk of money moves straight into your savings before you even see it. It's called pay yourself first strategy, and it works. If the money never hits your checking account, you won't be tempted to spend it. Step 3. Use a budgeting tool. Apps like Monarch Money or even a simple Excel template or Google Sheets can help you track spending and make sure that you're staying on track. The goal is to control your money, not let it control you. Now, let's set a realistic goal. If you cut $200 in unnecessary expenses per month and earn an extra $200 per month, you have already covered half your savings goal. That's $400 per month or $4,800 per year. See, you don't have to be rich to save, you just have to be intentional. Up next, let's talk about cutting expenses the smart way. Cut expenses strategically. Let's talk about cutting expenses the smart way. Because saving money isn't about giving up everything fun, it's about making better decisions where it actually counts. First up, food expenses. Cooking at home, meal prepping, and cutting back on takeout can easily save you a few $100s a month. If you're spending $10 on lunch every day at work, believe me, I used to do that for a while. I stopped doing it. Switching to homemade meals could save you $200 plus per month. That is a huge amount of savings. Next, subscriptions. Take a hard look at what you're actually using. Are you watching all the five streaming services? If not, cut the extras. Even canceling a $15 per month subscription adds up to $180 per year. Subscription costs have been going up every single year. I don't remember how much I paid for Netflix. I think we recently got Netflix for watching a show, and it's almost like $20 per month. Remember the days when it started at like $7 or $8 per month? Streaming costs are never going to go down. So watch out for like end of year deals. That's probably the best time to get these services. And if you feel that you're not using them efficiently, then just cut it out of your monthly bills. Now, impulse spending. Use the 48-hour rule. If you see something that you want but don't actually need, then wait 48 hours before buying. Most of the time, you'll forget about it, which means instant savings. Then, utility bills. Small changes like turning off the light, using a programmable thermostat, or switching to LED bulbs can cut your energy bill by like 10 to 20%. Finally, and this is the one that I really like, and that's negotiating bills. Call your phone, internet, or insurance provider and ask for a better rate. It works more often than you would think. I've been able to get huge savings on my car insurance, my internet bills, and also my phone services just by making that simple call. You'll probably have to wait on the phone for a while, but in the end, it'll be worth it. If you cut just $5 per day on coffee or eating out, that's $1,825 per year. Small savings, big impact. Up next, let's talk about increasing your income. Because cutting costs is great, but earning more, that's where the magic happens. Increase your income. Alright, cutting expenses is great, but let's be real. There's only so much that you can cut. You know what's unlimited though? Your earning potential. Let's talk about boosting your income so that saving $10,000 per year becomes way easier. First, side hustles. If you can bring in just $500 extra per month, that's $6,000 a year, over half of your goal. Here are some ways to do it. Freelancing. Sites like Upwork and Fiverr let you make money using skills you already have. Writing, graphic designing, programming, you name it. Selling unused items. Look around your home. Got clothes, gadgets, or furniture you don't use? Sell them on Facebook Marketplace or eBay or Craigslist and turn clutter into cash. Part time gigs. Driving for Uber or DoorDash, babysitting, or even pet sitting can easily add a few $100 a month. Monetizing your skills. Tutoring, coaching, or creating online courses is a great way to generate income without trading too much time for money. Now, let's talk about small daily boosts. If you can find a way to make just $10 extra per day, that's a total of $3,650 per year. Little effort adds up fast. So now that we have covered like savings and income, let's put it all together into an easy to follow plan. Automate and track progress. You've got the plan. Now let's make sure that you stick with it without overthinking it. The best way? Automate everything. First, automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer to a high yield savings account every payday. Even $200 per paycheck adds up fast. The key? Pay yourself first before you even think about spending any of that money. Next, track your progress. Check in weekly or monthly using a savings tracker. Whether it's a simple Excel sheet or an app like Monarch Money, you can also make it fun with a savings challenge, like a $10,000 tracker where you color in the milestones as you go. And don't forget to reward yourself. Every time you hit a milestone, like saving $2,500, treat yourself to something small but meaningful. It keeps you motivated without derailing progress. Finally, stay focused on your goal. Print out a vision board, set a reminder on your phone, or imagine how amazing it'll feel to have that extra $10,000 in savings. With this system in place, savings doesn't feel like a struggle. It happens on autopilot. Now, let's wrap it all up. Final thoughts. So, there you have it. Saving $10,000 in a year is totally doable if you follow these steps. Cut expenses, increase your income, automate savings, and track your progress. It's all about consistency. Small actions today can add up to big results later. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you're serious about taking control of your finances, subscribe for more smart money tips. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.